Sara Bederman from Sara Bederman Design. I'm an interior designer in Toronto, and today I'm going to show you around my newly remodeled kitchen. I live in this home with my family. I have 3 daughters, a husband, and 2 very rambunctious dogs. We recently remodeled our kitchen. We kept the layout exactly as it was before. It's very functional and works really well when cooking and working in the space. We wanted to update the finishes, lighten up the kitchen, and tie in some of the finishes to other areas of the home. We live in a very traditional Tudor style home, but we wanted to update the interior to be a little more modern and a little more current in terms of appliances, finishes, and details. We remodeled our kitchen island. We made it a little bit longer to accommodate an eating bar, which we didn't have before, which is a great family-friendly addition to any kitchen. You can casually sit at the end of the bar, kids can do homework, have a snack. It's a great way to keep everyone in the kitchen and a really social environment. I decided not to do an all-white kitchen so that we could add some wood elements. I love natural material, and the wood really warms up the space and gives it a much more comfortable ambiance. As you walk in my home, you can see the side of my kitchen cabinetry. It was the perfect place to put a feature panel of some sort, and in that location I decided to do a walnut gable with brass inlay in a very geometric pattern to add a little bit of a contemporary kick to the space and also make that side cabinet look like really a feature in the kitchen right from the front door. I specified 3 different styles of hardware in this kitchen. We have pulls and knobs combined. Some are satin brass, while some of the pulls are walnut with satin brass detailing. I wanted to keep the kitchen looking really streamlined, so we decided to do most of our appliances with finished panels on top. We have a full-size dishwasher as well as a dishwasher drawer, both of which blend in seamlessly to the rest of the cabinetry. We also incorporated a wine fridge under counter and an espresso maker that is one of our favorite appliances. My refrigerator has a beautiful feature panel design on it, and we have a really nice wall of cabinetry with a hidden walk-in pantry that surprises every guest. In keeping with my love for natural materials, I did a lot of marble in my kitchen. The flooring is marble, the countertop is marble, and the backsplash is also marble. There are different types of marble, but as a whole, they read really light and bright and quite beautiful and simple. Our kitchen works really well for our family, our busy life. We have a combination of pull-outs in our pantries. We have lots of adjustable shelving, as well as a ton of drawers to store silverware, anything that's smaller. Always looking to use as much space as possible. I grabbed some space between 2 studs and I made a wonderful little spice and oil nook that I finished with marble subway tile and custom satin brass plates. Renovations can be challenging, but we're so happy with how our kitchen turned out. We love using the space. We added great detail, very interesting finishes, and it really feels like a space so many people can enjoy with us.